Ever find yourself staring at your bank statement, wondering if you're truly getting the most bang for your buck? Like, are you just a number, or is there a secret VIP section, a star treatment, that you're missing out on? Specifically, when it comes to Patriot Bank, the question buzzing in a lot of minds is, does Patriot Bank have a star banking account? Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back. We all know the drill with banks, right? They offer a range of products, from basic checking to complex investment services. But what about those accounts that promise something extra, that special touch? The ones that whisper promises of exclusive perks, higher interest rates, and dedicated support. It's the banking equivalent of a red carpet, and who doesn't want a little bit of that? Think about it. In a world saturated with choices, we're all looking for that edge, that advantage. We want to feel valued, recognized. And in the financial realm, that translates to personalized services, tailored solutions, and, yes, those coveted perks. It's not just about storing your money, it's about growing it, protecting it, and making the whole banking experience smoother, more rewarding. So, when we hear terms like star banking or premier accounts, our ears perk up. We imagine skipping the lines, getting priority treatment, and unlocking financial opportunities that are otherwise hidden. We picture a dedicated banker on speed dial, ready to address our every need. It's a compelling image, isn't it? But here's the thing, marketing can be a master of illusion. Banks often use enticing language to attract customers, and sometimes the reality doesn't quite match the hype. That's why it's crucial to dig deeper, to go beyond the surface and get to the bottom of what these star accounts truly offer. Now, let's bring it back to Patriot Bank. They've established themselves as a player in the financial landscape, offering a range of services to individuals and businesses. But does that range include a specifically branded star banking account? To answer that, we need to understand Patriot Bank's overall strategy. They're known for their focus on community banking, emphasizing personalized service and building strong relationships with their customers. This approach often translates to a more tailored experience, even without a formal star designation. When you look at Patriot Bank's product offerings, you'll find various checking and savings accounts, each with its own set of features and benefits. For example, they might offer premium checking accounts with higher interest rates, waived fees, and access to additional services. These accounts often cater to customers with higher balances or specific financial needs. However, the key question remains, is there a unified, officially branded star banking account that stands out from the rest? The answer, after careful review, is nuanced. While Patriot Bank may not explicitly label an account as a star banking account, they do offer tiers of service that provide many of the same benefits. It's more about a tailored approach than a one-size-fits-all star package. Here's where it gets interesting. Instead of a rigid star program, Patriot Bank focuses on building personalized relationships. This means that high-value customers or those with complex financial needs might receive preferential treatment, such as dedicated bankers, priority service, and access to exclusive products or services. Think of it as a more organic, relationship-driven approach to premium banking. It's not about a flashy name or a membership card, it's about building a genuine connection with your bank and receiving personalized support based on your individual needs. For example, if you maintain a significant balance or have a long-standing relationship with Patriot Bank, you might be eligible for special perks, such as waived fees, higher interest rates, or access to private wealth management services. These benefits might not be advertised as part of a star program, but they offer the same level of exclusivity and personalized service. Furthermore, Patriot Bank's commitment to community banking means that they prioritize customer satisfaction and building long-term relationships. This translates to a more attentive and responsive approach, even for customers who don't qualify for formal premium programs. So, what does this mean for you? If you're looking for a star experience, it's essential to look beyond the labels and focus on the actual benefits and services offered. Instead of asking, does Patriot Bank have a star banking account? Consider asking, what personalized services and benefits can Patriot Bank offer me based on my financial needs? To get a clearer picture, it's always best to speak directly with a Patriot Bank representative. They can provide detailed information about their various account options, as well as any special programs or services that might be available to you. Don't hesitate to ask specific questions about interest rates, fees, access to dedicated bankers, and any other perks that are important to you. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more information you have, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your banking needs. Additionally, consider your own financial profile. What are your specific needs and goals? Are you looking for higher interest rates, lower fees, personalized support, or access to exclusive investment opportunities? Understanding your own priorities will help you determine whether Patriot Bank's offerings align with your needs. In conclusion, while Patriot Bank may not have a formally branded Star banking account, they do offer a range of services and benefits that cater to high-value customers and those with complex financial needs. Their focus on community banking and personalized relationships means that you might receive preferential treatment based on your individual circumstances. It's important to remember that the concept of Star banking is often more about perception than reality. The real value lies in the personalized service, tailored solutions, and exclusive perks that a bank can offer. So, instead of focusing on the label, focus on the substance. Talk to your banker, understand your options, and make sure you're getting the most out of your banking relationship. Ultimately, the best bank for you is the one that meets your specific needs and provides the level of service and support you require. Don't be afraid to ask questions, explore your options, and find the banking solution that truly shines for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.